IoT, Cybersecurity and Remote Access. We are live at MB Connect Line's booth at SPS IPC Drives in Nuremberg. Mr. Müller, what are the trends at the SPS IPC Drive this year?
Well, for us it's clear. It's IT security in the automation environment. Second part is clear, it's cloud, everything what's about IoT and IIoT. These are one of our most topics this year, and we also see that around of us, and we are giving solutions for connectivity to any cloud, also to our cloud. We have experience with mostly 10 years in cloud computing and cloud hosting.
What is the mission of MB Connect Line?
Well, the mission is that we want to transform IT technology to the OT side, because we have seen that IT administrator has a different scope as an automation guy, but we need the tools in case of security, having the same tools on the automation side. And this is our mission for the next years, transform that current technology with the scope of security back to the automation people, that they can use it, that it is more usable for automation people, and that they can really have the benefit of IT security, what we already have on the office IT.
Well, we have some variations on our remote access approaches. In our MB net line, we've added a key switch, giving the end user the capability of having connectability to the plant floor. We have a switch with several positions, one of which gives it full connectivity. They can also put it in a mode such that only data is pushed up to our cloud. That's something new, and this is something that we've done a little bit of research and found that customers were interested in having. Not all customers appreciate and trust online cloud connectivity, and this is a really good answer for that.
If you look at what NCSC in the UK, what ENISA for Europe, what ANSI in France, what BSI asks in Germany, they all say the same thing. Remote access should be enabled by the local people on the factory and only for the time of the maintenance. Last year we introduced a secure element that secures the boot of the MBNet. It also secures the firmware. It's signed. You can't run tampered firmware on MBNet. And now we introduce the key. The key will give the opportunity to the local staff at the factory to enable remote access locally or cut remote access directly on the unit.
Secure your factory. Secure your factory.
Secure your factory.
Secure your factory.
Secure your factory.